There's so many lessons I've learned from the game. First of all, how to handle failures. Cricket is more about handling failures with cool mind, with gracefulness, and still going on and still doing the process. So that's what I learned from cricket, and how to be positive. So you should be your own best friend because individuals talk to themselves the most. So you should talk really positive even when things are not going your way. Then also talk positive and get out of it. I feel Dhoni bhai supported me a lot and truly backed me, and even later on Virat or Rohit when they became captain they backed me as well. But at my starting career, Dhoni bhai backed me a lot, and of course it's always important a leader to support you, and that takes you long way, and support staff as well or coaches. Yes. Now, I haven't got chance to meet them. I've been doing my own things and they're doing their own stuff. But yeah, all my best wishes are with them, and they're playing really good cricket. And I'm very, very proud of them. They showed great character as a team. They're a young team, and winning the second game after losing the first one, that was a great character. I feel that they're playing great cricket. Of course, it's 2-1 at the moment, but I'm sure that they will show great over there and can turn the tables for us.
Well, I'm really happy and pleased that Shikhar का जो दिल की तमन्ना थी कि ये चैरिटी उसके बहुत क्लोज है. He worked with lot of kids, underprivileged kids. उनकी शिक्षा के ऊपर बहुत काम करते हैं. सो आज फाइनली यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं हम सब इस अच्छे कॉज के लिए. सो आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट. आई विश हिम मोर पावर. भगवान उसको तंदुरुस्त रखे ताकि वो और सेवा कर सके. या शिखर इज़ ऑलवेज बीन यंगर ब्रदर टू मी. वी हैव प्लेड लॉट ऑफ क्रिकेट टुगेदर एंड मोर देन क्रिकेट वो बॉन्ड ऐसी है कि जैसे भाई हैं. सो ऑल आई वांट हिम टू जस्ट keep on growing every day and keep on doing something for the society as well. So बहुत प्यार, बहुत स्नेह, और मैं कहूँगा कि ये आज बड़ा दिन है हम सब के लिए. No, I didn't get to meet the players because they are playing in Manchester, we are in London, and we all have our own league which is about to start. So yeah, but I wish them all the luck. They're playing really good cricket, even though they are 2-1 down, but still they have made us proud by playing tough cricket. They showed the right intent. So I wish them all the luck, and hopefully they will play well in Manchester and win the test match there, and it'll be 2-2 when they come back to London in the Oval, and which will be a perfect kind of pitch and conditions for Team India. See, we stand with our country and with our people. It is as simple as that. There is no point doing cricket or any other sports if we are not in terms in good terms with them. So we stand with our government, we stand with our people. That's why I think it is our responsibility to show that we are together.